This property in Margaritaville.
It's beautiful. You know, we love Margaritaville. You've got that amazing town square amenities. This one has a pool and it's on the water. It's beautiful. Let's go show everybody.
Let's go.
Welcome. This home is as luxurious on the outside
as it is on the inside.
This massive dancing kitchen with quartz and gas, it's perfect. The architectural details besides the pool, fireplace, beams, and shiplap, gorgeous.
Gorgeous primary bedroom, tray ceiling details, and lots of natural light. This ensuite bathroom is to die for. Love the layout in this 3-bedroom, 3-bath home.
So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you for all the details.
And make sure you don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals like this one.